Hi. So in this pandemic, মানে कौन? Hope you like this video.
ସିନ୍ଦୁର କ'ଣ କହିବ ଆଉ?
Hope you like this video. ମୁହଁଟା ଏମିତି କେন ହଉଛି? Hi baby. I just want to spend the whole life with me with you. कौन? କରୁନୁ?
ଅନ୍ କଲି ବା।
Cut it. Hey baby. So in this pandemic, I'm unable to give you any gifts. So I'm just trying to give you this small gift, and hope you like it. And a small surprise from my end and all of us. Just you enjoy.
Hi guys, I wish you a very happy first anniversary. Keep smiling.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी अभिषेक एंड भाउज भाउज पिलाटा भल नाचे ताकू जीवन सारा नचाओ
Happy anniversary Monalisa Abhishek. Wish you a happy married life.
Happy anniversary Pandu and Abhishek bhai.
Wishing you both Abhishek and Monalisa a very happy anniversary. Stay blessed and enjoy yourself.
Hi Abhishek, Mona, wishing you very happy anniversary. Stay blessed, happy and together always.
Happy anniversary to Abhishek and Mona Lisa. God bless you. खुश रहो. जय जगन्नाथ.
Happy first wedding anniversary to you both, Mona Lisa and my maga. बहुत खुशी तमन्ना पाएगा because you guys made it pandemic. ये वर्ष भी देखा ही पहला नहीं तो मैंने सेठी जाएंगी लॉकडाउन डेज एंजॉय करचो गुड you guys are with family, enjoy your first wedding anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Mona and Abhishek.
Hey Bhauja, hey Sarangi, many happy returns of the day to both of you. May the upcoming years bring much more blessings, good wishes, and may you always be the happiest couple of this world. Love you both.
हाय भाई मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे सबले एमती खुशी रे रुह भलरे रुह भगवान को पाखरे मोर एतिकी प्रार्थना जय जगन्नाथ
Hey, happy anniversary Abhishek and Mona. God bless you.
Hey, this video is especially for my cutest, bestest friend Mona. I know you were very angry as I couldn't make it to your wedding, and I'm really sorry for that. I just wanted to tell you that I love you a lot and hope to see you soon as you are back to Bangalore. A very happy anniversary to you, to both of you guys. May you guys cherish all these moments of this spacious day and enjoy every bit of it. May God bless you with lots and lots of happiness and love. Happy anniversary guys, and love you Mona. See you soon when you are in Bangalore. Stay safe and stay home.
Wish you a very happy anniversary.
Hey Abhishek Baba, happy anniversary.
Stay happy, stay together. Love you.
Happy marriage anniversary to my beloved friends Abhishek and Mona. Stay blessed.
Happy anniversary both of you. You are the most beautiful and sweet couple I ever liked. And enjoy your day. God bless you. Be together always. Have a nice day.
Happy anniversary.
Hello, Mona and Abhishek. Happy anniversary. सही से रहना, अच्छे से रहना, and wish you both again happy anniversary. Bye bye.
Hey, small message from my end to make your day very special during these quarantine days. So I still can't believe you guys are having a first wedding anniversary so soon. Yeah, actually, I still remember that your wedding was like done just few months ago. I'm so happy to see you guys are being the best couple forever, and I'm so happy that your love has grown up so much since the day you guys met. So congratulations on your first wedding anniversary.
Hi Mona, Abhishek, congratulations to both of you on your first wedding anniversary. 1 year down, another 99 to go guys. Good luck. Bye.
Hi, Mona, Abhishek. This video is for you guys. Wish you a very very happy marriage anniversary. मेरी तरफ से, मेरे बच्चों की तरफ से, मेरी वाइफ की तरफ से. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi Abhishek, Mona Lisa, wish you many happy anniversary. प्यार से इनको बोलता हूँ मेरा छोटू और मेरा मोटू. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी अगेन. बाय.
Wishing you a very very happy marriage anniversary to dearest Abhishek and sweetest Mona Lisa.
दी जन को बहुत बहुत अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा. लॉकडाउन टाइम रे तुम घरे अच्छ, कटक रे अच्छ, समस्त सांगे रे अच्छ. ए लॉकडाउन रो टिके बेनिफिट नियो. आमको बहुत शीघ्र गोटे बहुत मीठा खबर शुणा जमती कि आमे तुम घर को एमतिया गोटे गिफ्ट नहीं कि जाइए पहुँचवा. लिची किसी कहबू?
Auntie and uncle.
ओके, आंटी एंड अंकल तुम मानू से माने होमवर्क दे देला. ओके,
लिची रे गोटे फ्रेंड दरकार बहुत शीघ्र.
ओके, बाय बाय.
Hello guys, happy first wedding anniversary to both of you, and this day is very beautiful to remind both of you that you guys are made for each other and just a perfect match in all the odds and events you have, and God may bless you with eternity of love and understanding. So please do come back as soon as the quarantine lifts so we can just plan of a trip or something. And of course your party is pending, so we are looking forward to it. Yeah.
Happy anniversary again. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi, Mona Papan. Happy anniversary to both of you.
many happy returns of the day.
खुशी रहो. आज दिनटा भल से एंजॉय करो.
फुलो फलो खुश रहो.
अब हम एटी वेट करछु. We need a big party. Lots of love for both of you.
Happy wedding anniversary, bhai bhauja. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay as the lovely couple you are. Lots of love.
Happy anniversary Papan Bhai, Mona Bhauja. Many happy returns of the day and stay blessed, stay happy together and एमिति ही आगु को सब बोले खुश रहता.
Hi Mona Bhauja, hi Abhishek bhai, wish you a very happy first anniversary. Lots of loves and hugs and kisses to you both. Have a great day.
Happy anniversary bhai and Bhauja. I hope you people are staying safe and mane bhalo acho. I pray कि तुम्हारा दिन भल जाओ. तुम्हारा जर्नी आगो को जिते तुम दी जन एका संगे जर्नी अच्छी सेटा बहुत सुंदर जाओ, बहुत ही खुशी रे जाओ. एंड आई लव यू अ लॉट भाई एंड भाउजो को भी. बस से हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी.
Happy anniversary Abhishek bhai and Mona Lisa Bhauja. Firsts have always been special. So here's to the first year of you guys growing old with each other. Happy anniversary.
Hi. Happy marriage anniversary Papan and Mona.
Happy anniversary Mona and Papan. Stay blessed. God bless you both.
Happy anniversary बेटा. जगन्नाथ कृपारू तुम दाम्पत्य जीवन सुखमय हो.
एमती हसखुशी सबु बेले रहिथा.
Love you बेटा.
Happy anniversary to both of you, and I must say that Bhai has always been there since the day I was born, and the day you entered our life Bhauja, you completed it actually. And after mom, if there is anyone who showered unconditional love on me and who pampered me like a baby, then that person is only you. And on this special day of your life, I am wishing you both a very happy anniversary. Love you both.
Happy anniversary Bhai and Bhauja. Wish you both a wonderful life.
Happy wedding anniversary Pappu and Mona. Wish you lifelong togetherness.
Lucy and Abhishek.
Hi Lucy and Abhishek.
Happy first marriage anniversary to both of you. Jagannath Kamno Tamara Mangala. Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
Hi Didi. Hi Bhai.
Hi Didi.
Hi Bhai. Wish you both a very happy anniversary.
आउ एंजॉय करिबो बट सैनिटाइजर यूज करिबो केक काटिले हमको पठेइबो एंड घर बाहर को बाहरिबोनी एंजॉय
मामा दीदी अभिषेक भाई आपण माने केमती अछ मु भलो अछि नमस्कार हम सेठा मते केक पठेइबो
Happy anniversary to both of you. We love you.
Hi Mama, so many congratulations of your first anniversary day. Both of you, congratulations. Thank you, God bless you.
Wishing you both a very very happy wedding anniversary. Lots of love, best wishes. Be happy always.
Happy anniversary Baba Moni.
Happy anniversary Raja Monalisa.
God bless you both of you.
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy marriage anniversary Didi.
Happy marriage anniversary bhai.
Hello beta. Happy marriage anniversary.
Wish you a happy anniversary to Populu and Mona. God bless.
Happy anniversary to you, Mugi and Muna. Best of luck. Happy anniversary.
All the best.
Hi, hello.
Lucy, Abhishek, happy anniversary.
Lucy, Abhishek, happy anniversary. कौन कर आज केक पे काटिलणी टिके टिके पठेइबो हमें अनेइचु हैला
लुसी तो सासू जहाँ रोषे करथिबो देखे देबो फोटो रे
आम पाई टिके टिके पठेइ देबो फोन रे फोन पे रे पठेइ देबो
Happy marriage anniversary.
Bhaina and Bhauja.
Mona and Munu.
To you.
To Bablu Bhaina and Mona Bhaujo.
Happy marriage anniversary both of you. God bless both of you.
Wish you a very good and nice anniversary. Let the God bless you. Our blessings to you, and the coming years may bring you all happiness in your life.
Wish you a very happy marriage anniversary to both of you. My blessings is always with you. My love is always with you. Love you so much.
विवाहर वर्ष है आम दी जन जाक आशीर्वाद दौची खुशी बासी रुह
बंधन के मुटियारा आइया बटोला बनके कन्ना दे विच पिपल पतियां बाही चूड़ा खनके बंधन के मुटियारा आइया बटोला बनके कन्ना दे विच पिपल पतियां बाही चूड़ा खनके मेरे सोने वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं हो दिल लगना मेरे सोने वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं हो दिल लगना
So, hope you liked that little surprise we tried to make you happy, and I think you are happy. And thank you so much for spending this 365 days with me, and wish you a very happy anniversary, my love. And I just want to say you that I am in love with you, and I love you very much. So just stay with me till I just grow old, and you too. So let's be together for life. Thank you so much. I love you.
वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं हो दिल लगना मेरे सोने वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं हो दिल लगना